guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. G.W.R here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on me lubricating my 3x3. I already popped out the piece, and yeah, and I already made my own lube, so I already did all the dirty work. So yeah. I have a Rubik's brand sucky cube. I can just pull that out. Yeah. So I have a Rubik's brand cube. Rubik's brand is of course sucky. And I have my lube. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna squirt one little squirt in. Hi, you want to be in my YouTube video? Okay.
I haven't seen her in years.
Oh, niece?
Yeah.
You have a niece? You're an aunt?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So, yeah. Okay. So, I don't know if you can tell, but I put the lube in. Now I'm gotta put the pieces back in. So yeah, I technically did all the hard work. Doing the lube, popping this piece out, lubing it, popping this piece out, showing you guys me lubing it, blah blah blah. If that makes sense.
This is my room. Here, you can go in.
And hi.
Yeah, but he's in here right now.
Yeah. They look like
you want
mine.
to see something?
Yeah, sure. It's there. It's put back together. Now I'm gonna do a scramble, so then the lube gets all mixed inside with this, and so yeah.
Her name is Bandit.
And I can already tell the difference in stuff. I can actually really tell the difference already. I might have put just a little too much in there because I think I can feel it. I'm putting that on the hands, or that's just the moisturizer from the lube. Me putting on it, spraying on me.
Yeah,
so yeah, scrambled it, and I'm gonna do a solid.
She bites, I mean.
I know, I was confused. I'm like, wait, is it a she or a he? I'm like, what? Hi, she, he thing.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Sorry.
So yeah.
Okay.
And then here's Haley tinfoil over here.
You wanna touch him?
Say hi, Haley.
I don't know.
She's with her niece.
Her name is Gray.
Oh yeah, this actually moves very well.
Does he really bite?
Well, I'm not
Better
sure.
than an actual Rubik's brand does.
She attacked the other mouse.
So yeah, you can just looking at it tells the difference, and it's a really good, really weird feeling too. I've never bought one of these sucky cubes and have it turn as good as this.
This is like so cute.
So
I'm holding another mouse. She has like 2 mouses. This one bites, but not yet.
That one did not bite.
Yes, it did.
No, it doesn't bite.
It's not biting you because you gotta be friendly and pet it.
Wait, Cheyenne.
If you don't pet it, it'll bite you. That's why.
there. So and this is actually really well moving.
You want
Already
this?
4 minutes in and stuff. Oh, Haley, can I have a piece of gum?
Yeah.
Thanks. Ah, that was my phone. So yeah, I got some extra long-lasting. Whoa, you have a record player?
Wait.
Well, play it backwards. Play it backwards.
I don't know how to do that.
Wait, no, watch.
She doesn't because she doesn't want it.
Don't do that.
That's how you do it.
Don't do that. It's gonna mess it up, man.
But how does...
Wait, listen to this. Wait.
What the heck was that?
I like fast forwarded it.
Oh.
Oh, it's a watch. It's a pen.
Oh, it's
That's a pen?
Yeah.
That was actually lipstick.
Hey, can I get a hug?
Now all I gotta do is learn how to take this
I
part,
gotta tell you something.
then I can move it.
I love you.
I'm gonna have a unicorn room.
Oh, that's cool. You want this too?
Our puppy is cute. Is that actually real?
Where?
What would happen if I put this in there?
I don't know.
Put what? Poop on it. So what I'm guessing.
What are you doing? Are you like
Filming a
making
YouTube video.
I'm actually good at that.
You want to be in my YouTube video?
Sure.
There. What's her name?
Shy.
This is Shy.
Shy.
So,
Shia.
yes, Shia. Yes, I am Shia, so I know what to do, and I don't know, like, any people yet, because I never see people that much, and because I don't...
Do you want to try to solve that?
Huh?
Want to try to solve this?
Yeah, sure.
Here, I'm going to scramble it, okay?
My phone, please. Oh, wait, that's not it. Okay. Oh, this is me.
That is a giant gummy bear. Wait, what am I doing?
Now, you have to solve it. So like this.
Should I hold it or I can move that?
Don't be as fast as me because that, I lubricated it, but don't touch this because it can be poisonous if you put your hands in your mouth after you touched it.
Okay, I'm not going to.
Okay. Yeah. See if she can actually solve this.
Yep.
Oh, we only have like 3 more minutes until the video ends.
Hold on.
If you learn how to solve these and master it, one day you might be able to be in a competition.
Yep.
That's what I'm planning on doing when I go to Virginia. Yeah, heads up, I'm moving to Virginia.
I'm actually kind of good.
You're really good for a kid like you. Do you know there's a kid about your age who can solve a 7x7 in under 30 seconds?
Does she have the same hair? And the same coat? And the same
I think
eyelashes?
she's Japanese or something. My best on that is 16 seconds. My best on this is 1 minute and 21 seconds.
Yes, because I am Shia. What can you know? Because I have like this. So I like know what I'm doing. And I'm like twisting, like twist, twist, twist. Piss, piss, piss. What? What's less piss?
That's what I do when I rhyme sometimes.
Now where is the redness?
We have 2 more minutes. Here,
Oh.
I'm gonna stop this video, okay? So then we can film one together, okay?
Can you send me that video?